Assalamualaikum. Morning.
Hello, boy.
Morning, boy.
Okay, for chapter 2, break-even point. Break-even point is revenue equal to expenses. Total revenue equal to total cost. Hasil sama dengan cost. Okay. Contribution margin equal to selling price minus variable cost. Selling price per unit variable cost also variable cost per unit. Okay, formula for contribution margin ratio, price minus variable cost divided by price times 100. The answer will be in percentage. Okay, next, break-even point in units. The formula is fixed cost divided by price minus variable cost. Price and variable cost per unit. Okay, formula for break-even point in RM, fixed cost divided by price minus variable cost and then divide by price. This one also price and variable cost is per unit. Or break-even point in units means that the answer from here just times price. Okay, that's all for formula. Let's see the question. Question number 1. Sales volume per unit 30,000. Price per unit 9 ringgit 30 sen. Variable cost per unit 5 ringgit 30 cents. And annual fixed cost 100,000. Okay. Calculate the profit made in that year. So the formula
PR tolak TC. PR might equals to TC.
Profit equal to total revenue minus total cost. We know that the formula for total revenue is price times quantity. So price is 9 ringgit 30 cents times Q, so 9.3 Q minus formula for total cost is fixed cost plus variable cost. Fixed cost 100,000 plus variable cost 5.3 Q. Okay, then 9.3 Q minus 100,000 negative time positive negative 5.3 Q. 9.3 minus 5.3 equal to 4 Q minus 100,000. The question asks you to find out the profit. So the question, okay, the sales volume 30,000. So means that 4 times 30,000 minus 100,000. So the answer RM 20,000. 300 12. Okay. Okay. Then for B, break even point in units. The formula is fixed cost divided by price times variable cost. Fixed cost is 100,000 and fixed cost 100,000 divided by price 9.3 minus variable cost is 5.3. So 100,000 divided by 4 equal to
25,000.
berapa jawapan dia?
25,000.
25,000.
Berapa?
25,000.
Okay, so the answer 25,000. Okay, so far, any question?
No.
No. Okay. Then for B, the question also asks you to find out break-even point in RM. So break-even point in RM, the formula that we can use break-even point in units time price. So means that you just took the answer from break-even point in units 25,000 and then times price. Price is 9.3. So 25,000 just times 9.3. So you will
232, 500.
berapa?
232, 500.
Into 500. Okay. Any question so far?
No.
No. To find out break-even point in units, the formula is fixed cost minus fixed cost divided by price minus variable cost. So just take from the question, fixed cost 100,000 divided by price is 9.3. This is price and variable cost 5.3. Okay, so 100,000 divided by 9.3 minus 5.3, 100,000 divided by 4, so you will got 25,000. So for break-even point in RM equal to break-even point in units times price. So the answer that you got from break-even point in units just times price per unit. So you will get 232,500. Okay. Next, the units to be sold to get profit 40,000. So the formula that we will use is profit equal to total revenue minus total cost. Okay, total revenue is price times quantity. Price is 9.3 times Q equal to 9.3 Q minus fixed cost is equal 100,000 plus variable cost is 5.3 Q. So 9.3 Q minus 100,000 negative times positive negative 5.3 Q. So for Q minus 100,000. So get profit 40,000. So profit is 40,000. So for Q 40,000 plus 100,000, Q equal to 140,000 divide by 4. Berapa jawapan?
35,000.
35,000 Okay.
1,000.
Faham ke semua?
Faham.
Faham.
One.
Okay. Question 1D. The profit when the unit sold is equal to break-even point. So the formula for break-even point, is total revenue equal to total cost. Total revenue, price times quantity. Total cost is fixed cost plus variable cost. Price is 9.3 times Q, 9.3 Q. Fixed cost is 100,000 plus variable cost is 5.3 Q. So 4Q equal to 100,000. Q equal to
25,000.
4,000.
this one is break-even point in units. The profit when the unit sold is equal to break-even point. Ini tak payah buat. Sasa dah jawapannya akan jadi kosong. Faham tak? Okay, for the profit when the unit sold is equal to break-even point. Okay, yang ni kita dah buat break-even point in units dekat sini kan? Okay ke? Break-even point in units dekat sini kita dapat dah tadi 25,000 kan? Maksud dia, keuntungan yang kita dapat pada break-even point in units. Berapa keuntungan kita dapat? Bila TR equal to TC,
25,000.
huh?
25,000.
25,000, this one is quantity tau. Means that in units. The profit when the unit sold is equal to break-even point. Berapa profit bila jualan kita adalah sama dengan break-even point per unit? Okay, apa maksud break-even point? Total revenue is equal to total cost kan? Bermaksud hasil sama dengan cost. Awak dapat profit tak bila hasil sama dengan cost? Awak faham tak soalan
Tak.
saya? Ha?
Hasil semua. Tak.
Tak.
Tak dapat
Sebab saya kata the answer is 0. Tak payah buat. Faham tak?
Faham.
Okay. Okay, question 2. Nanti awak buat sendiri. Just guna formula. Okay, saya nak explain question 3. Okay, question 3. Soalan minta break-even point in units and RM. Means that formula yang kita akan guna adalah break-even point in units equal to fixed cost divided by price minus variable cost kan formula dia.
Yep.
Okay, fixed cost kalau tengok pada soalan, fixed cost is RM50 kan. So fixed cost 50, price is RM2 for 10 pieces. Okay, saya dah mention price ni adalah per unit. Tengok pada soalan, pisang goreng RM2 for 10 pieces. So 1 pieces berapa?
50 sen.
Ah?
50 sen tak?
20 sen, 20 sen.
20 sen. So price per unit is 20 sen, 0.2. Faham ke tak? Sebab price dekat sini adalah price per unit. Pada soalan diberikan RM2 untuk 10 pieces. Per unit means that satu tu berapa? Okay, faham tak? Dan
Faham.
variable cost also adalah variable cost per unit. Bila variable cost per unit means that you have to find out variable cost per unit kalau soalan tak terus bagi variable cost per unit. Okay, for example, kita tengok soalan ni, dia kata setiap hari dia akan spend RM3 for the flour, RM50 for the banana and RM8 for oil and other expenses. So means that dekat sini, dia punya variable cost dia adalah 3 plus 15 plus 8. Betul ke? Ini adalah variable
Betul.
cost dia. Maksudnya cost berubah. Okay. Ini adalah variable cost untuk 800 pieces yang dia jual. So variable cost per unit berapa?
26.
26 ni adalah variable cost. Okay, 26 RM26 ni adalah variable cost bila dia jual 800 pisang goreng. Pada soalan, pada formula, variable cost adalah variable cost per unit. So that you have to find out variable cost per unit. 26 ni adalah variable cost untuk 800 pieces. So, berapa variable cost per unit?
So 800 bagi 26 apa mana?
Ha?
800 bagi 26.
26 bagi 800.
Oh 26 bagi 800.
0.0325.
So 0.0325.
325.
Okay. 0.0325. So, okay, berapa jawapan dia?
Ain Najul tak buat lagi. 50.
50 divide by 0.2 minus 0.0325. Berapa?
Dua 98.1.
98.1
Kena ya.
Sebab saya dapat 298.5. So dia
Dapat 298.
kalau 298.5 so dia akan jadi 299 units. Faham tak?
Faham.
Faham.
Units tak boleh akan jadi 0.5 macam tu. Okay.
Oh.
So break even point in RM adalah break even point in units times dengan price. So means that jawapan yang kita dapat tadi 299 times price.
Right.
Price dia berapa tadi? Price dia 0.2 kan? Price per unit. So awak akan dapat jawapan dia berapa?
59.8.
Oh.
59.8.
So 59.8. Ini jawapan dia. Boleh faham tak semua?
Boleh bang, boleh.
Okey, kita pergi satu lagi nanti awak buat soalan.
InsyaAllah boleh puan.
Kalau awak tengok question 4 ni pun dia minta break even point in units and also break even point in RM. Question 4. Okay. Break even point in units. Fixed cost divided by price times variable cost. Okay. Fixed cost dia 300 kan? Ni fixed cost dia 300. And then variable cost dia 5.5. Price dia RM15. Okay, yang ni kan kita terus dia ambil 15 minus 5.5 sebab dia bagi dah dalam per unit. Boleh faham tak?
Boleh. Boleh puan, boleh.
Okay, so berapa jawapan dia?
31.58.
58. So the answer is 32 units. Boleh faham tak?
Oh,
Okay.
boleh, boleh.
Break
Boleh.
even point in RM equal to break even point in units times price. So 32 times price is 15. So the answer
176.
Huh?
Wait. 52.
32 times 15
480.
480.
480. Okay. Ada soalan? Any question? Okay, kalau tak ada soalan, nanti awak cuba buat question 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Nanti saya akan bagi jawapan. Okay, next class baru saya akan explain break even point untuk graf.
Slide-nya ada kat mana pun?
Dalam ni, Teams.
Slide dalam Teams.